My name is Hannah, and I am 32 years old. My parents died when I was 18, and from that moment, I had to live my life without guidance, without comfort, and without anyone to show me what to do. I promised myself that I would make a stable life, a life built on hard work and clear values. Maybe this is why I tried so hard to trust Ryan, even when my instincts told me something was wrong. I met Ryan when I was 25. He was charming, loud, confident, and full of ideas. Everyone around him laughed easily. He always knew what to say, and he always looked like he had power. At that time, I thought power was a good thing. Now I understand that power without respect becomes dangerous. We married 1 year after meeting. People said we looked strong together. They said we were a successful couple and would make it big. At first, this seemed true. We opened one small boutique hotel, then another, then two more. I handled staff systems and guest care. Ryan handled marketing, investors, and expansion plans. From the outside, our partnership looked perfect. From the inside, I saw red flags, but I chose to ignore them. Ryan never included me in investor calls. He made business decisions alone. He laughed whenever I asked questions. He said things like, "Relax, you worry too much," or "just sign, don't think." I felt uneasy, but I convinced myself that marriage required trust. I told myself that maybe he was just stressed or tired. I did not want to believe I had married a man who enjoyed control more than honesty. One Tuesday morning, everything changed. I was reviewing our financial system when I saw multiple transfers. Something was wrong. Ryan had made these transfers without telling me. That afternoon, I walked into his office. "Ryan, what is this?" I asked, holding the printed reports. He barely looked at them. "Just business," he said. "This is not our company name," I said. "Why did you use our license for this?" He leaned back in his chair and smirked. "Hannah, stop acting like a child. I run the big deals. You handle the small things." My chest tightened. "These deals are risky. You didn't even discuss them." He stood up suddenly. "I don't need your approval. You should learn your place." His words hit me like cold water. I had ignored so many warnings for years. I had hoped he would change. I had believed that patience would save this marriage. I was wrong. That night, I stayed in the office and reread every document. I called our accountant, who confirmed that Ryan had signed a private agreement under our business name. If anything failed, we both faced legal trouble. Ryan did not protect me. He exposed me. The next morning, I told him, "I want a divorce." Ryan stared at me with a frozen expression. "Say it again." "I want a divorce," I repeated. "I cannot stay with a man who lies to me." His face twisted in anger. "You will destroy everything. You will destroy me." "No," I said. "You destroyed the trust." He stepped closer, his voice low and full of threat. "You think you can live without me? You think anyone will respect you after this?" "I can," I said. "I just want the divorce to stay private. I have no family left. I do not want attention. He laughed in a strange, cold way. Private? You want things private now? I felt warning in his tone, but I stayed calm. 2 days later, we met with our lawyer, Mr. Quinn. He explained the legal steps, the division of assets, and the business separation. He asked Ryan several questions, and I could see Ryan getting irritated. Mr. Quinn said, "You both must be transparent. Any hidden deal affects the case." Ryan snapped, "There are no hidden deals." I remained silent, but I knew the truth. After the meeting, Mr. Quinn said to me privately, "You are making a strong decision. Stay firm." I nodded. "I want this to be clean and private." He said, "We will try." But Ryan had other plans. One afternoon, while I was checking the guest list at one of our hotels, my phone buzzed nonstop. My cousin, my aunt, a staff member, even an old classmate. "Is this true? I saw his post. Are you okay?" I opened social media. Ryan had posted a picture of us with a long message. "My wife is leaving me. She is stressed and confused. Please pray for her." He made me look weak. He made himself look innocent. He exposed my private pain to everyone. At work, staff stared at me with pity. Investors whispered. Relatives judged. Later, Ryan cornered me near the staircase. "This is your fault," he said. "You left me first. If you divorce me, I will destroy your name. I will not let you walk away clean." That night, I finally understood. I married a man who loved control, not partnership. The next month was long and heavy. Meetings, papers, business separation. Ryan argued over everything, but the more he fought, the more obvious the truth became. He signed the final papers with shaking hands. "You ruined my life," he said. "No," I replied softly. "You ruined it when you tried to ruin mine." Now, I live in a small apartment near one of the hotels. I wake early, I drink tea, I check reports, I work with calm. My divorce became public, but my strength grew quietly inside me.